Hi guys, hope you all are well. So today I'm back with no makeup on, like absolute bare face, and I thought of sharing with you a few tips to get blemish free skin. Well, you cannot have 100% flawless porcelain looking face, but yes, you can minimize the blemishes and get rid of them quickly. Most of you think that I don't get acne breakouts, but I do. I do get hair breakouts and acne and whiteheads a lot on my face. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you are eating right. So yes, again, eating right is very important. So you have to make sure that you are avoiding fried food, avoiding junk food as much as possible, because we have to go to the root cause so that the acne and pimples do not make presence or do not make comeback on your skin, so that you just focus on the blemishes that previous ones have left behind. I hope it makes sense. So try to avoid sugar as much as possible. So now we have these two things covered. We'll quickly move into the skincare. So choosing right skincare is very important. So I'm using these three products. These are Ossia Herbals Anti-Blemish Range. So I have Anti-Blemish Cream, Anti-Blemish Face Wash, Anti-Blemish Face Pack. I think first, before doing anything to your face, you have to make sure that your face is clean. I clean my face once daily during night. Once I'm done with the entire day's work and everything, I'm ready to go to bed, I just do my skincare that time. So Ossia Herbals Anti-Blemish Range has Papaya Extracts, which is famous for lightening blemishes and spots. And I take around this much, a pea-size amount. It's more than enough for me. And I start with massaging the face wash into my skin really nicely and cover all the areas where you think you might have bacteria resting. So I've just quickly washed my face. I'm going to pat it dry. So my skin is feeling really clean and I don't know, very soft, but it hasn't made my skin feel stretchy or dry, nothing of that sort. Now we will quickly move on to Anti-Blemishes face pack. It has again papaya extracts and almond oil. And apart from that, it also has a light kaolin. It has glycerine, almond oil, zinc oxide, titanium oxide, aloe vera extracts, papaya fruit extracts, licorice extracts and shea butter. So it not only fights blemishes, but it also moisturizes your skin. So I have the face mask on. I let it sit and dry on my face for a good 15 minutes and then I'll wash it off and come back. So I have just quickly washed off the mask and I'm going to pat dry my skin. Apart from using a good skincare, right, I love using a little bit of DIY stuff. So I love rubbing half a tomato on my face. Tomato is acidic, so it does take care of blemishes, and if you have tan, it works on tan as well. So apart from tomato, you can also rub yogurt. What I do, I just simply cut a small tomato, take half of it and just rub it on my face. If you're looking for a good scrub, you can always add a little bit of powdered sugar on top of it and then scrub your face, like massage your face with it, and it works so well. I should have done it before applying the pack. Tomato has high content of vitamin C and potassium, so it will fight free radicals and it will work as a really good antioxidant, and it will lighten the blemishes and spots. Just let it sit on your face for a good 15 minutes and then wash it off. So the tomato on your skin might tingle a little, but nothing to be afraid of. So I have just washed off my face and you can see my skin looks so much more even toned, which is why I love tomatoes. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of face mist. So this face mist has green tea and a little bit of tea tree oil. You can make it at home very easily. All you have to do is boil some water in a pan, add a little bit of green tea, let the solution cool down for a little bit, added 3 drops of tea tree oil in there and poured it back in this spray bottle. This is my old spray bottle, so I have just recycled it. All I have to do is just mix the solution to my face. This will work as a really good toner, and it's homemade, so you know what you have put in there. You can add a little bit of glycerine if you want. If your skin is very dry like mine, you can add a little bit of glycerine and it will close the pores. So last step is moisturizing, and I'm using Osho Herbal's Papaya Clean Anti-Blemish Cream. And this cream has a lot of good stuff that helps you get rid of blemishes over a period of time. All you have to do is apply it twice daily, in the morning and night. Use your sunscreen to prevent UV damage. You can buy Osho Herbal's anti-blemish range from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. Do check it out. I hope you enjoy this range as much as I do, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.